Alright, I'm Alex Wiles, and this is my buddy Chase filming. Right now there's this amendment trying to be passed, Amendment 1, and it's going to state that marriage is between one man and one woman, which is how it ought to be. So, somebody decided it'd be a good idea to put this sign near my house. They ought to know not to put stuff like that near my house. Alright, we're just going to have a little talk about the sign today. So, that's how we deal with it around here. That's all, folks.